Zone. Black people being the new gatekeepers of the demonic and demon realms. Part 2. It doesn't matter what side you pick. If you pick this side or this side, you lost. You lost. You lost. We confuse intentions with energy. If people say darkness, dark energy, this, people think it's evil. If people say light, they think it's good. It's the intentions behind the energy. That's it. It's a tool. The energies are tools. And guess what? It don't matter how religious, how spiritually light you are, guess what? You have darkness inside you. Baby girl, baby boy, grandpa, grandma, auntie, uncle. You got darkness inside you. Guess what? Dark ones. Dark ones. Dark ones. Dark ones. Tú también tienes demasiado luz. Sí. Maldito payaso de diablo. ¿Y qué tú crees? ¿Tú no tienes no luz? Huh? What you thought? You ain't had no light? Yeah, since y'all want to do everything in the darkness and do Latin, right? Tú quieres hacer todas las cosas con la latín, la lengua. Pero tú no entiendes que tú también tienes la luz adentro. ¿Y a dónde de la luz viene? La luz viene de la oscuro. Y tú estás jugando con lo oscuro. Hello, hola. Tú tienes luz también. Oh shit. For those who I went off, for all the ones who want to play in the darkness, guess what? Stupid. You got light. You got light too. Just because you think it's not a lot of light, or just because you don't recognize the color of light, guess what? A neon light is still a light, bitch. It's still a light. Still a light. And I gotta make this personalized. Like, I can't just talk to y'all like, oh. I gotta get personal with y'all so I can feel this. Real talk. That's like if you know you're on your 10, right? If all your folks know you somebody that really be on your 10 and you sharp, the minute you slipping, the minute you fucking up, they not about to really tell you slipping or fucking up. They gonna they gonna joke, they gonna they gonna play with you for a little bit, just to see just to really see. And if they really see like, oh shit, he crashing out, before you really crash out, somebody gonna be like, nah man, you. And that also depends on the variation of your friends too. Some friends, some of your people, depending where you at and how you are and how you built your shit, based upon your spiritual development. Your spiritual development is basically just being true to yourself, true to who you are in a fucked up world. Once I say one thing, I can just go so deep in that and then so deep in that. It's crazy, man. Fuck. But yeah, man, they switching us up, man. For us not knowing who we are, not teaching our folks who we are, and then only teaching them, our children and the young generations, from only a certain point, is doing nothing but breeding demons and devils. Breeding spirits and souls that are lost and wandering, it's been gone from certain times. That's why every time you get wine and spirits or alcohol, you get possessed. Or when you take your mind to other places, you get possessed. Even if you don't smoke or drink, you don't have to do drugs to get possessed. Don't get it fucked up. Don't get it fucked up. You can be around people, oh, these are my friends, possessed. That's why they always tell you, if your friends are on the same shit you on, drop them. Because their thought patterns and process will possess you and throw you off. Lower vibration throws off high vibrations easier than high vibration throw off low vibrations. Unless that high vibration has crossed a certain threshold that it can't be compromised. The bass, right? When we listen to bass in music, bass lines is very, just in case people ain't know, sorry for all my 808 lovers. I love the 808 as well. However, I love melodies. I love melodies with my 8s. Sorry. Sometimes if the melodies are good enough, you don't give a fuck about no age. You just want the pattern. You just want the beats. You just want the combos. As long as your drums having combos, you're good. But what's happening? Over the years, we've been getting dumbed down. Even the musicians. Drummers can't do certain shit they like drummers can do. Patterns have gotten easier. Like everything is getting simplified because we were so simply complicated. Just to put it, we were simply complicated. Shit that we see in the world that don't make sense, that's what black people, melanated people have been doing for a long time. Even in worse conditions, when shit was even worse or harsher for us, for our folks. They was doing shit all the time. People was like, what? We don't understand. Imagine that fear. Imagine if I I'm saying, I ain't gonna say myself, but let's just say somebody come to your house and bring you food and everybody gets sick to the point where everyone's pooping out damn near their intestines. Some of your family members, let's say they don't die, but they have complications now that they're no longer the same. Some of them, or let's say one or maybe a few of them passed away. And let's say you have a condition now and also a trauma, you know what I'm saying? You can't, it's a lot of shit, right? Me knowing that I did this, you don't get no type of retribution, you don't get no type of get back, you don't get no type of nothing. You just allow me to just have that on my head, have that on my spirit. So now the guilt and the invisible karma is coming to get me. Now we don't do that anymore. So a lot of people, my God got me, my God got me. Not if you put it in your own hands. If you put the situation in your hands physically, it's a different story. Because it's different rules of engagement. And if y'all know what rules of engagement are, you already know. You can't tell me you in the streets, you don't know rules of engagement. You've never heard that term. You can't tell me you this or you this or you big dog or you this and you haven't heard rules of engagement. Same thing like in the corporate or same thing like in any other type of, like in the military, like I'm pretty sure police officers have that. Special agents or agent FBI and all that shit, like I'm pretty sure they have rules of engagement, but I don't know how theirs are. I don't. But everyone has rules of engagement, certain terms and conditions before shit go left. So if y'all want to keep just no rules, y'all just fuck the OGs and blah blah blah, you gotta understand what's going on is a lot of y'all got more money now. A lot of the youth got a lot of money. A lot of older ones don't hate on y'all. Like I can't speak for everybody, but from what I've observed and from people I've actually talked to, a lot of them are proud for y'all, really happy for y'all. But you gotta understand, the ones who came before you, some of them had the same opportunities. They just ain't take it. And they knew if they told you the truth, y'all was gonna bash them or make them look dumb. Cause the people who know me, I done told them shit in 2011 about some shit about the music industry, from my personal experiences. Whether people believe it or not, 10 years later, the whole industry fucking complains about the same shit I was talking about in 2011. Before producers were getting their credits published on actual mixtapes or actual work. Besides the album, you gotta buy the album just to open up the credits and read the producer's first name. You're like, who the fuck is, I thought this was, oh. Or they'll put they'll use their first name, use whatever the producer, no name in the middle, and then use the N at the end. And I'm saying on music terms, but this isn't strictly to music. This goes the same thing with movies, same thing with sports, same thing with media. Like, you gotta understand, remember there used to be a form of entertainment. A form of entertainment before was violence. This new culture, the people, the culture. It's a violence, it's a culture of death, shame, destruction, prostitution, degradation, family the disassembly of family, again, family degradation, de-evolution. Is the mess goes on and on. And we can't keep saying God this, God this, God is God gonna take care of God. God put us here with free will to see everything that's going on and to know, like, alright, I know myself personally, I could have, y'all hear the beat in the background. That's one of like over, listen to my number, over 4,000 beats. I mean, it's not even beats, this is one composition out of 4,000 compositions. And I'm being light, I'm not even counting the hard drive or my externals. And that shit used to eat me up. But what was eating me up, that was the devil. That was the devil in me, the demon in me, the darkness in me. We all have it. It grows with time. You have to tame it and destroy it. I wouldn't say tame it, destroy it. I would say you have to tame it. Because if y'all really think I'm crazy, or I'm not gonna say crazy, but what I'm saying in the terms like he's out of it. He's in a whole different realm with this. Okay, watch. Next video we're gonna get to the real terms and the spelling and the magic that we all use every day. Since you think you're human, you think you're regular, you don't think you're a monster, you don't think you're a chaos being, you don't think you, okay, we're gonna get into it. We're gonna get into it. Believe me, we're gonna get into it. But it's all love though. It's all knowledge, it's all love. It's all for everyone to grow. Everyone to grow. Even if you're low, you're gonna grow one day. Because guess what? You're just gonna repeat the cycle over and over and over and over. So eventually you're gonna be evil now, but you're gonna repeat the cycle so many times, it's gonna force you to be good. Everyone's on different alarm clocks. That's why when people try and force everybody to wake up, you can't. And you don't understand this with wisdom. You don't understand this without wisdom. And wisdom takes experience. And experience takes time. So that's where a lot of the separation is with the youth and the older generation. All generations. Some of the older generations, like my older generations, their problem was we had it easier and we was learning shit that they wasn't learning. We was learning shit they was learning in college and high school. And then they was adding all this new shit. We're advancing. We're all evolving. Especially through time. So we all have to sustain ourselves through time. The same. You understand? Do what you do to make you happy. But know as long as making you happy doesn't bring someone else down. If something has to put somebody else beneath to put you up, that's not it. That's not, I don't give a fuck. That's not it. Like when people say, oh, God put us here to serve, servitude. I can't say serve because that's the same as like saying slavery, or that's the same as saying I don't have free will. It's a choice to have to be but when people say I'm here to serve, I'm here to serve, it's like extreme. There's no balance. So people who don't feel that way, like, man, I'm not here to just serve. I'll help, I'll assist, but damn. And then even the ones who help and assist, they get burnt and they get crossed over. Like when I say crossed over, they get burnt. So they cross over to the side where they say, you know what, I'm not gonna assist nobody else. I'm not gonna woo woo. And there's a balance to everything in life, man. There's a true balance. We are the gatekeepers to the higher realms of reality and the dimensions. That's why they always say, oh, we just have one. We just have one. We just need one. If one can forgive and one in their circle of time frame, so I tell you, in this video, I tell all black folks, man, all melanated people, man, go learn your power. Learn your power. Learn who you are. Because a lot of other cultures, races, they know their power. They know their power, and they definitely know yours. They definitely know yours. They know theirs, and they fucking know yours too. The sad part is, y'all don't know y'all own. Y'all don't know y'all own, and y'all follow the ones who don't. And the ones who really know about the power, who can really help you, y'all shun them. It's all G. Like I said, we're gonna break this shit down through these videos. Love, 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 man. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, post notifications. I ain't getting the nose. I know how y'all be, mustache tickler. Like, comment, share, subscribe, man. So it goes either way, man. We either gonna change the shit, control the shit, and this shit don't happen, or more possessions. And the next possessions is coming is on whole nother levels. Whole nother levels. So